Hi, my name is Avery Cordina, and I'm the Assistant Product Marketing Manager for Cooling Products here at Lennox. Air handlers work with your air conditioner, heat pump, or boiler to circulate air evenly throughout your home. Lennox air handlers are some of the most efficient and quietest you can buy, providing perfect air movement and outstanding performance. Lennox is excited to announce the release of the 2025 compliant refrigerant air handlers, the Dave Lennox Signature Collection CBK48 MVT, the Elite CBK47 UHET, as well as the Merit CBK45 UHVT, CBK45 UHET, and CBK45 UHPT. In addition to a feature set that will bring perfect air and comfort to the homeowner with quiet operation and the quality and craftsmanship you've come to expect from Lennox. Each of these 2025 compliant refrigerant air handler options include our uncontested quantum coil, which has been enhanced to accommodate R-454B refrigerant. To learn more, visit lennoxpros.com for literature, sales tools, and online courses in the Learning Center. Thanks for watching.